Today we got special food today. We
What's
got
that?
this.
Where is this from?
And it's cocoa. Okay, let's open it. Let's see.
Who's that? Ryan, you didn't introduce your friend?
Yeah.
If today you have a special guest, have to introduce your
We
your
got
guest.
special guest.
Who's that?
Chico.
Chico. Chico is the name. Hi, Chico. How are you? Hi. Today you want to try the free fruit also? It's a gift from the neighbor. Come, we try. Come, mommy, open. Mommy, open. Look. Right. Okay, I'll help you a bit. Okay.
Wow!
Why so happy?
I want this.
Show your friend first what is inside. You have a box of cookies. All different. Show
Okay,
first. What's it?
We got this cookie.
Wow,
Let's
got the
open.
上签了，新年上签了，好运。
Let's open.
Okay, let's try. Open, pick up. Don't play. Chico, you want to try also, Chico? Yeah, Chico also want to try. Chico, come nearer. Okay. Right.
I think it's delicious.
Oh, Chico, don't be patient, Chico. Okay, whoa, look, Ryan one, the first one. Let's see what's that. Wow, it's a tart. It's a mixed nuts. Show me. Put mommy hand here. Wow, looks like mountain top of different nuts. So good. Okay, next time mommy make. Okay, who wants to try?
More. Let's chocolate.
I think.
I think you other one.
Oh, man.
What is this?
No, chocolate there.
It's chocolate.
Walnuts. Different. No. Eating. Wow. Oh. It's bigger than your mouth, Jika.
No, it's not.
Wow.
It's not. Huh?
Why there's nuts here? Almond.
Now you can have it.
You don't like.
Yeah,
I think all same should be.
Mm-hmm. Not
Is it good?
mm.
It's fresh.
Looking off.
But it's not children's choice because it's not sweet. It's healthy version. Right, Ryan?
Then it come out.
Then what do you want?
Let's see what I did. Open this and maybe.
Should be awesome together, Ryan.
Mm.
Should be awesome.
Yeah.
This one in Chico mouth. Chico, do you like it? Chico love it, Chico. Because it's nuts. Monkey like nuts. How about you, Ryan? Okay.
That is again, but I want the chocolate one.
There's cranberry. This one is what nuts already? I cannot remember the name. And then got the pumpkin seed. Different nuts. Hey, good go. No, eat too much. No, don't mess up the pepper. Okay. Good, Chico.
You can have it.
Ryan don't like it. You only like the tarts.
I like the down near
The
this
best.
one.
The tarts best. How about you, Jack? Not your favorite? Not your favorite?
The chocolate is the best.
Oh, is it? It's like chocolate cookies, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Open them.
The other one.
Awesome.
I just need to eat it down there. I just want to break it. This. Yep. that. I have it.
Mm.
You like the net all. The top one. I like the only this one.
Mm.
This one. Also the chocolate one.
It's like a ball.
Too big. Okay, when I eat that. It's too big. Look, it looks.
Wow, like mountain top. Yeah, the color.
Looks like China mountains.
Yeah. Mm. More for me. Thank you.
This looks like cat, right?
Mm, yeah. Do you know how to read? Ryan, do you know how to read?
Oh, I saw a raisin here. That's a raisin.
Show mommy the cut. Oh.
Next time. Next time.
2 months it finished. 1 day already finished everything. 今年上千。
Want a raisin? Raisin. I cannot eat the top.
You cannot eat the top. It's a walnut.
It's not time.
Oh, this is green tea one. Green color. Who wants?
Mine, another one.
It's good. It's good. It's the nuts. A lot of nuts. It's good.
Why? Yes, yes, I got it.
This is matcha one. Matcha.
Everything is all the same.
Yeah, almost the same.
Everything is the same. I win.
Mommy keep eating all. You open, mommy is the one who eat.
We got no Chico.
Yeah, Chico. Chico, would you like to do some tricks on magic maybe? What do you think?
I get the magic.
Yeah, you can perform.
Give me the coin.
Put everything back, Ryan.
I'm good at magic.
You make you
Give me the coin. Only have to see the next video. Then I will show you.
Wow.
Only see the next episode.
All right. Yeah. So you have to subscribe, share, subscribe, and follow. Right? Press the bell. Ryan, Chico, what you did? Don't do this, naughty boy. Okay? Say sorry. Okay? You're gonna slap your face, right? Naughty, Chico.
The chocolate.
Okay, no food for Chico because Chico naughty. Okay, don't do that. Okay, it's bad. It's bad. Yeah. So what people should do if they want to watch your video?
Hit the like button and subscribe the try video. This is a good link in the comments below if you try this.
Yes. Please leave your comment. What shall we try next? Alright? Or you can send to us. Yes. Send food, please. So we have more food to try here. What's that? Oh, drop already. Never mind. Let's talk again. Yeah. So I think that's it for our food review today. Can you say something to your friend?
Chinese New Year.
恭喜发财！恭喜发财！
新年快乐！
新年快乐！
拜
拜！哒哒哒哒哒哒哒哒哒哒！叮叮叮叮叮噔噔噔噔噔叮叮叮叮叮叮叮叮叮！拜拜。Okay.